Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't know why I opened up like that. Hope everyone is doing well. Today's video is my date day makeup / get ready with me. I'm going on a date. I am leaving the house and going out with my husband, which is very exciting. I wanted to film what I will look like on the date for you guys, so you can just follow along if you want to do your makeup with me. I'm actually very happy with it. Nothing too crazy, although I did put eyeliner on my lower lash line. That is big stuff, guys, if you know me. Also, I've been sick for a while, so please ignore the awful kind of voice that's going on, throat infection, not really fun. Anyways, if you want to see my date get ready with me makeup, then just keep on watching. Alright, date day makeup. You guys know I'm pretty minimal when it comes to makeup. That's just how I feel the most beautiful in myself, but I'm going to try and amp it up a little bit for you and just, you know, make it pop a little bit more. Yeah, let's start with base. Actually, no, let's first start off with this sweater. How cute is this? I feel like that one arm vibe is coming back. My wedding dress was a one strap, so I'm really into this whole exposed arm and covered arm. I love it. I think it's very minimal, but it's definitely appropriate for this transition from winter into spring. For jewelry, I'm very minimalistic only because with a 1-year-old, you can't really wear things that are big and noticeable because she will just rip them off. I don't know if you guys have heard of this brand, Ana Luisa. How cute is their little pouch to keep all their stuff? Super beautiful, classic, timeless jewelry pieces. They're based in New York. They kindly sent me some rings, and I am such a ring person just because Olive can't pull them off. So we're gonna see which one I wanna wear today. The first one is this really pretty gemstone one. This is the NITO ring, really beautiful. I'm a yellow gold girl, and then it has that like bright turquoise gemstone in the middle, so I'll try this on. Very cute, a little bit of a pop of color, but still simple, which I really like. The second one, which is this one, which I think is just kind of fun and a little bit more boho. It is the ADINA ring. It's like a nice oval shape. It has beautiful texture and like little dots surrounding it. I think this one's really gorgeous as well. I'll try this one on for you. I am very much into this ring. I really just love the simplicity of it, but it still catches the eye without being, you know, too much. Really, really gorgeous. And lastly is the Chloe ring, which may possibly be my favorite one. This one is just a classic. It looks like a braided chain ring. Also, I just love the name Chloe. I think that's really cute. Oh, I don't know. I think I'm gonna go with this one today. Even when I have all my other pieces that are just very minimal, I feel like that doesn't add too much pop. It's just that perfect extra, you know, piece that I needed on my fingers. So I really love that. Thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring a portion of this video. I love these pieces. I will link all of them down below, plus a little discount code for you guys. My lips are definitely a little bit dry. Also, my nose is annoying me so much. I think because of all the stress of moving and renovating a house, my body is just susceptible? Why does that sound weird? Am I saying it weird? Basically, I've just been perma-sick for the last 4 weeks. Foundation, I am wearing my current favorite at the moment. I've been non-stop wearing this since I bought it in Florida in January. It is the Dior Backstage. I have it in the shade 2N, and it is gorgeous. It just, oh, honestly, buy it or even get a sample at Sephora if you can, because you will fall in love with this foundation. It just gives a beautiful matte satin kind of finish. Buildable, but I feel like one layer is the perfect amount. Very much into this foundation at the moment. Gonna move on to concealer. I'm using my old-time favorite NARS Custard Creamy Concealer. This is a new bad boy, which is just so satisfying to open. I'm just gonna cover some little scars that I have going on. I'm actually not gonna put it under my eyes because I'm gonna use something a little bit more brightening under my eyes. So I'm really just keeping this on areas that need a bit more coverage. I just didn't want to do a full, like, one more layer of foundation. So we're just gonna use concealer in those areas. To set everything in place to make sure it doesn't budge throughout the day, I'm going to be using this NARS matte powder, I believe. What is it called? It's just called Beach, but it's basically a setting powder. Only putting this in the areas we just put the concealer, not under my eyes yet, because we're going to use something else there. For under my eyes, how cute is this YSL Touch Eclat edition for Valentine's Day? I know that's past, but super cute with the little glitter hearts on it. Love that. Anyways, I think it's perfect for a date day because it's about love. Back to that beach powder, swipe it under those eyes, and voila, that is all set in place. I may or may not have forgot to get a second brush, so we're just gonna dust that off and use it for bronzer, which is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer Nude Bronze Light, longest name of life. I'm gonna swirl it around. Look how pretty and marbleized that is. Gorgeous. This bronzer is actually very light in color. It's not intimidating, so you can actually be a little bit more heavy-handed with it. Now for blush, I'm going to be using something with a little bit more of a glow consistency rather than a powder consistency. I'm going to be taking these Burts Bees All Glow. They're like a cheek and lip tint. So I have two different shades here. The darker one is Lilac Lagoon, and then the lighter one is Peony Pool. So I'm going to do a little mix of both, starting with the darker one. Moving on to my eye area, I'm going to fill in my brows with this Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit in the shade 3. I love how defined it is and little, so you can definitely get into those smaller areas of your brow, making it look as natural as possible. Now, if you know me, I'm not a big eyeshadow wearer unless I'm doing like a specific look, but for tonight's date night, I'm gonna put on eyeshadow. This is the Burts Bees Trio in Shimmering Nudes. Very wearable for an everyday kind of look, and also if you want to amp up your date night look. If you're just a basic makeup wearer like myself, this is just a great way to add a little bit of dimension to your eyes. I'm gonna start off with the darkest shade in the palette and keep it right at the outer corner of my eyes, kind of giving more of a cat eye shape. Then going in with the second lightest shade in the palette, I'm going to put this more in the center of my lids and start dragging it into the inner corners. And lastly, the lightest shade in the palette, I'm putting it right in the inner corner on the top and the bottom. Now moving on to eyeliner, I've been loving this one lately from Hourglass. It's that really tiny one, the 1.5 millimeter liner. It's really great for kind of creating any look you want. You can do a wing liner, you can lightly smudge it out if you want something a little bit more rock and roll looking. It's really great for creating multiple looks. So I'm going to put this on my top lash line, lightly flicking out the sides, and also on the bottom outer corner just to finish off the look. This is big for me. Under my eyes, liner. I do have lash extensions, so I don't need mascara or lashes. You definitely could put some more on if you wanted a little bit more oomph on your eyes, but I am happy with that. For lips, I don't know if I want to go a little bit more nude or something with a little bit more oomph in it. Let's see. I know for liner, I do want to use the Kylie Cosmetics Kylie liner. And then either I'm going to use the Bare Minerals. I've been loving these, by the way. They're the Bare Pro lipsticks. They're matte and they last forever and have so much pigment. This one is in Cinnamon and this one's in Peony. So maybe I'll mix them and we'll come up with a shade. I think to brighten up like the inner insides of my eye, I'm going to use this Benefit Roller Eye Bright Pencil. This is a great way to just brighten up the eyes a little bit more. Alright, so I did my hair yesterday and I slept on it. I'm kind of into it. I'm not into that super perfected curl anymore. I kind of like that bedhead wave a little bit more at the moment. A little bit more effortless, so I'm into that. I know this is not dramatically different from other makeup looks, but at the moment, with being sick for so long, I really haven't had the time to spend time doing my makeup and getting ready and, you know, feeling a little bit more like myself. So I do feel very beautiful and confident, and that's all that matters whenever you do your makeup, that you like it the most. So as always, everything will be listed down below, along with these rings that I showed you guys with a discount code, so make sure to check them out. Beautiful, beautiful pieces. Also great to give as a gift. Also perfect for Mother's Day that is coming up just around the corner. In the UK, not North America, so don't freak out. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.